Bruce Smith. Welcome to another edition of In Nature's Realm. Now today, before I talk about the fishing trip, I'm going to talk about a prize that we're going to give away. Now this prize is a painting of a trout, 15 by 10, so it's only small, and it's been donated by the local artist in the Newlyn area, Ian Scott. We had an interview with Ian Scott in the previous episode. Fantastic bloke, great artist and great fly fisherman. And I'll put up that painting right now so that you can see it. And it is definitely worth winning. Okay, now today's fishing trip. I am now off to Newlyn's reservoir. The conditions are unreal. We've got a northerly wind, possibly about 5 to 10 knots if that. Overcast. Weather-wise, it's perfect. Now, the reason why I'm going back to Newlyn's, I've done another episode before on Newlyn's, but this time it's autumn. The water level of the lake has dropped, probably down to about 80%, and the old road is exposed. And this is what we're going to concentrate today, fishing from the old road, because it can be very productive. And I've caught a lot of really nice trout and had great times fishing from the old road. Now I'll put up some footage now of the old road, and as you can see, it is probably around about 10 to 20 feet wide, I suppose, and it is covered by around about 2 inches of water at the moment, and there's water behind the road and water in front, which is the main lake. So if you've got a southerly wind at this very moment, you can fish that southern section, and there will be trout in there, but the main side, on the northern side of the road, has the greater concentration of trout. And it's this road that we can fish, the entire length of the road in different sections. And if you've got a northerly wind, it makes it really comfortable to cast along the northern side of the old road. So sit back, relax, watch this episode. You're going to learn a lot, and I'll see you real soon. Alright everyone, here we are at Newlyn's reservoir, and this is the time to come to Newlyn's when the old road is starting to appear. Now the old road basically starts from that point where my finger is there, and as you can see those sticks in the water right to the other edge there, basically over the eastern shoreline. So let's walk out to it, and it's a particularly good area to fish here at Newlyn around autumn time. I'm just hoping it's not too deep for my fire waders. Here we go. So this is the start of it right here. If we look down, you can see how it's nice and shallow here. That basically is shallow for the entire length straight across in a direct line. And you can fish either side of the road, and at times it can be really good fishing. So let's give it a go. Alright, here we are on the road. It's just about half an hour before dark and it's calmed right off, and this is the conditions I need, so it could be good. Absolutely beautiful condition. Just a slight ripple, but no trout moving. I haven't seen a rise, I haven't seen a crash, I haven't seen a single sign of a trout, and not even a nibble from a redfin. So it's just amazing the way those trout work. Could be 100 reasons. Now, insects that are about a tiny little midges. And I've got a fish. Yes, you beauty. Oh, keep them on, keep them on. Alright, it's worked. The bag flies worked. And you saw him leap out the water or what? That was insane. Alright, here he comes. Oh, he's a nice trout too. Have a look at this trout. He's beautiful. I just knew it was fishy. I really did just knew it was fishy. And there he is. Nice trout. Probably around about pound and a half, 2 pounds I suppose. Hey, so yeah. Fantastic. Alright. Come on mate, we're gonna let you go. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful. Well, there you go. This is what you can expect from the old road on Newlyn's Reservoir. It's fantastic. Oh, come on. Settle down. Come on, take it easy. There he is. Beautiful brown trout. There he is. As you can see, the bag flies in his mouth. Oh, he's probably around about a pound, nudging a pound and a half. So he's a beautiful brown trout, and we're going to let him go. So I'll take the fly out of his mouth. There we go. And then we'll put him back. How's that, mate? Yeah, how's that? Alright. Alright, mate. See you next year. Well, there we go. Beautiful brown trout. And have a look at these conditions. It's just absolutely fantastic. So let's see if we can coax another trout to take the fly. Well, geez, did he leap when he took that fly? I hope I got that on footage on camera. And we'll do that again. Ooh, got some weed there, I think. Now Newlyn's has dropped quite a lot in water level. It was 100% not so long ago. Now it's probably down to about 80, which is still good. Good head of water. And that fly was the bag fly that worked there. Let's see if he's in good order. It always pays to check your fly. Well, that just like as we got here, a little bit of weed on there, but to check the condition of the fly. That's in perfect perfect condition, and you can see how this fly looks like a smelt or a bait fish. So it's a really good pattern. Really works well for me on this lake. Alright, let's get the fly out again. Alright, we're back. I continued to fish during that last hour of light and wasn't successful, but in saying that, and you probably can't see at the moment, so it's all dark, so it's just audio, but I am walking back off the road and to my car. Fantastic day. One nice trout caught on the bag fly earlier on. Great day. This is just magnificent. It's beautiful weather. The water's great. It's just fantastic. So there's no such thing as a bad day in fishing in my books, as long as you continually go out fishing and being out amongst nature. That's what it's all about, in my opinion. Alright, so just need to negotiate this road, and a bit of a tip for you is to follow the white pebbles. That'll show you basically you're in the middle, especially at this time of night when it's starting to get less visual. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know what the camera's getting here, but geez, there's not a breath of wind. There's not a single trout moving, which is concerning in a way. But there's always a reason for it. And they're there. Don't worry about that. They're there. Alright. See you back at the car, I suppose. Well, let's just keep going. Alright. Off the old road. Now walking to the car. And an additional thing that I neglected to tell is that I got some great drone footage of some Harris hawks. Ian was saying these birds congregate around the lake. And I saw them on the trees, and got some great footage of the hawks, and I'll show you that either during this episode or at another time. So here we go. There's my car. Whoa, feel that. A real cold breeze just come through. Whoa, that's insane. Alright. Here we are. Day's finished. And those great fishing experiences just turn into memories. But with a great invention like the GoPro camera, we can look back and we can see it again and again. It's just fantastic. That's why I love photography, both in the still photography, and I love videos as well. You know, it keeps those memories alive, and we can experience it all again. Oh, it's just fantastic. Alright everyone, see you next time in the next edition of In Nature's Realm. Bye for now.